Hello everyone, today I have great news for lamb lovers. I take the simplest ingredients and end up with an absolutely amazing dish. I'm going to roast a lamb shank in a tandoor. It will be delicious and interesting, so get comfortable. Everyone knows that the most fragrant spices are freshly ground spices. That's why I found this thing in the garage at my mother-in-law's. Look at this. This pestle is such an antique. It's a relic from Soviet times. Back then, they even indicated the price on the product. The price is 2 rubles. But for some reason, I think this pestle hasn't been in use for 30 years. So I'll put it in order. I'll start with the marinade by grinding all the ingredients. Coriander. Just gorgeous. Watch the continuation in the next part. It's so dry, I'll add some vegetable oil. For those who like it spicy, add a bit of chili pepper. I'll add a tablespoon of salt, black pepper, and crushed paprika. It will give the marinade a beautiful golden and unique taste. Look at such a thickness we got, and the color is just bomb. Well, let's go marinate so that the marinade better penetrates the meat. I make cuts all over the leg. Look what a beautiful color the meat gets. It already looks very appetizing. Sanya, you are waiting for your piece and you will get it. I'll marinate it for a few hours. Now I'll wrap the lamb leg in parchment. Then I'll wrap the foil in several layers to have a thermal effect. The spatula is packed well, and I'll throw in some firewood. The tandoor has already heated up to 300 degrees. It's 365 degrees at the bottom. And the lamb shoulder goes into the tandoor. The lamb would be incomplete without greens and sweet red onion. and I just love cilantro. Well, exactly an hour has passed. Amazing aromas are coming from the tandoor. I will get it out. I'm cutting the foil. Done with a tasty dish. The spatula is already ready to give it a crust. I'll put it in the tandoor for another 10 minutes. I will collect the juice that has accumulated in the foil in a glass. I love lavash soaked in this juice. What a great paddle turned out. I'll cut myself a little piece. It turned out very tasty. Lamb meat has an incomparable taste and aroma, unlike anything else. And the aromatic spices and rosemary gave their result. Very tasty, as I promised. The dish is simply stunning. My operator has already drooled. Now I will treat him too. But first I'll sprinkle with onions and herbs. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. And I'll go on to taste further. Bye bye everyone.